it's me, Sophia, back with my first but second video because my last video wasn't really a video. It was just me poking slime and not even talking. We were trying to do ASMR, me and my cousin, with our long nails, but I took mine off. So yeah, and that video was like a minute longer, 53 seconds or something like that. So I might be taking that down, but I don't think I can. Okay. So I'm gonna be making a slime today, and they're all off of my mom's choices. I let her pick just because that's the idea I came up with and the idea that I've seen on YouTube quite a lot. So I guess let's get started. So my mom's first choice was it was the food coloring. She had the choice of turquoise, she had orange, she had like a really bright pink, and she had purple. My mom loves purple, so she picked purple. My mom's second choice was glitter. I told her she could pick two. She picked iridescent shimmery glitter and this green shimmery glitter. So, yep, those are the glitters. She also had a choice between shaving cream and shaving gel. She picked shaving gel, and it's scented. Coconut Orchid. She had another choice, foam beads or a Bath & Body Works hand lotion. And she obviously picked this one because it's like her favorite scent. It smells like a winter house. I like the smell. Do I just smell it everywhere? Because when I wash my hands, I'm going to smell like love. Okay, and obviously I ran out of my other types of glues. So my big old white Elmer's glue is going to be for the job. So let's start with the glue, obviously. And my activator's already made, and it's really hot. Okay, so I'm going to make this like most slimes. They say it should be at least as big as this part, so it's not like, don't pick a bowl that has like something like this small. That's a little too small, unless you're like selling it and you don't want it to be big, or if it's like a tester for your slime shop, then yeah, that's what I wanted to do. I wanted to make a slime shop, but it never happened. So let's pour. I haven't made slime in so long. I've been playing with so many slimes and doing slime collection videos, but yet I have not made a new slime. I was thinking I was going to make my first white slime, but my mom picked purple. Because, I mean, it's purple. Purple beats everything. I would have said turquoise or white, in my opinion, but it's my mom's opinion, not mine. So, done with the glue. Wow, you cannot even see it. It's dark on the screen. That kind of works. It's really thick, and oh, I forgot about the water. Since I am set up right behind the sink, I'm just gonna pour some water in. Okay, that was warm water. Okay, so I might have put a little bit too much. Oh, whoa. I put way too much water. Let's just dump some of it out because it's not fully mixed. Oh. Oh, no. There. I need to okay, wait. 1 second. Sorry, you're just gonna look at my walls for a second. No. Ah. Okay, so I might have to add a little bit more glue because it's really hard to get that water out. So just a clump of glue will work. That's what I always do to my slimes most of the time. I mess them up and then I just make it 100 times better. Or 10 times. Either way. So now let's mix that up. Ooh, there's stuff on the side of it. Don't judge. Don't judge me. I gotta get something. I forgot to keep napkins by me. And I barely even started this. And it's already going a little downhill. But it's okay. So, I'm not even done mixing it. I'm gonna, okay. Big blobs. Have you guys ever seen clumped glue? It's like super, like not like this. Back on. Because most of the time slimes are like really gloppy and not like this. Ooh, okay, I just saw a bubble. I don't know what I should add. Should I add my food coloring or should I put that in the end? No, I'm gonna put it now. So, this is really thick food coloring. You guys can't even see it. Oh no, it's about to spill. Okay, so this might be a really dark purple. It looks blue to me. Let me see. And it looks exactly like it looks on the camera as it does in the mirror. So. Whoa, whoa. That is so pretty. No, you guys need to see this. It looks so cool. One second, I forgot something. Okay. Okay. Mixing it in. It's a really dark purple. Let me guys.
Want to play Fortnite?
Yes. Let me show you guys what it looks like. It's like a vibrant purple. So, kind of like it.
Yeah, they really bring it out.
Be quiet.
It's really bring it out.
We're gonna add 2 more drops. I was gonna add 1, but I accidentally. Can you stop the clatter over there?
I will fight you.
Whoa! Oh my gosh. I need to get this. Look at that! He was talking to someone else, sorry.
No, I was talking to you.
No.
Is this Alfredo still good?
Be quiet!
Is it still good?
Whoa. Is there blue in here? Now it's an even darker purple, so there's still some in the spoon.
Sophia, Rihanna died of late month.
So we're done mixing it. Super vibrant.
Oh yeah, super vibrant.
Now it's time for a hand lotion. It is scented winter candy apple. Me and my cousin both got the same one. So, Alex, tell me when to stop, okay? Okay. I think that's enough already. It looks like poo.
Why would you put that much in?
Cause it's
Hey, Becca.
seriously? My dog again.
This is my boy.
This used to be a very calm video. It's chunky. Stop.
I didn't mean to. Oh my god. Calm down. Go film somewhere else. Go film in the girl cave.
I can't. Mommy said I can't. Mommy said I have to film here.
You have to phone?
Film.
No. I will not allow it.
And there's tiny little chunks. So let's go on with glitter. I'm not gonna use that one. Let's do, no, we should do the shaving gel first. It's pink. Pink and purple. Okay. I don't want to put too much, and that's not because it's running out. That's not why I made that sound. It's just because the squirt thing is all covered up in stuff, and it's like, so, oh my gosh, it smells so good.
Bruggy.
Stop.
Gucci flip.
I'm sorry. Just ignore him. Okay, now time for glitter. Right. We're using green glitter because that's what my mom picked out. And
Gucci
then,
flip flop.
whoa, it's not showing. I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's a lot of green glitter. We're gonna do one tiny foam bead. And we'll see where it goes. I actually kind of lost it. We need more green glitter. There, I almost used all of it.
So ugly.
And there you go. That looks a lot better. Okay, time for activator. This is my favorite part. I think that's enough. Whenever you make slime, does it always make that little hole?
Yeah, you always gotta make that little hole.
Stop! It's already forming. Yes. I'm scrubbing the sides of it with my spoon because then, oh my god, the activator's blue. That's why my cousin doesn't activate.
You have a cousin?
You're my cousin.
What the?
Stop!
What?
So this is a pretty decent size.
What's up, Papa?
Daddy,
What's up,
come look at my slime. It's purple. Green glitter. Mommy picked all of it out. Mommy picked the colors out. I know. It's okay. It didn't get your face in. Not all the way. So, ASMR. It is definitely not ready. We need way more activator. Or it's just that there's not enough borax. I'm gonna waste a lot. Whoa, it looks so cool. I haven't made slime in so long, so it seems like a new experience for me, but it's really not. I'm starting to really think that it's because I didn't add enough borax powder for it to make like the real thing. It's thick. It's really thick. Because I added too much water in the beginning. My nails painted. Doo-doo. It's actually really big. It's one of my normal size slime. No, this is still way too sticky. I might have just overactivated my slime. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. New activator back into the cup. I'm so bad. Okay. Cleaning out I go. Oh. Oh. Kind of sticky. But it's like, just, it needs to, I need to mix it more. So I'm rubbing my foot against the stool. Doo-doo. I know it's really cringy to do the one finger poke, but sometimes I do it just because I'm
Did you
making.
eat poke with the knife?
I'm about to after I'm done.
How much chicken you think you're gonna eat both?
Probably like 2 pieces.
I'll just leave that there for you.
Daddy, can you get me a plastic plate up there?
This one?
A plate. Because I need something flat.
Thanks, man.
Like this?
Yeah.
Baby, let's see, baby.
Huh?
Let's see, baby.
See Bridget? Yeah, I don't see Bridget.
Thank you.
Thanks, bud.
Mm-hmm.
That's a new brand. Double chocolate. Let's make brownie sandwiches.
Really?
Yeah. We were just watching the kids bake off. Me and Hope. Take a look. Cannot put this on the second.
This is the final. I think it's kind of jiggly because there's no water in the beginning. Did put a lot of water in
You know what?
Like when it
in my
were
slime
you
in the
just
beginning,
listen to my
like in the
voice?
glue, but not in the slime.
Yeah, go down a little bit lower.
I think it's really stretchy. Comment down below if you guys think it's stretchy. And like this video if you think it's jiggly. and
Sounds like
it's
crackling.
Yeah, like right on this side, right? I heard it when I went back up.
I don't know what it is.
You know
but
what
it's
the physician did?
Well, I don't even know if you can. They usually put it right up to your shirt or under your shirt.
Under your shirt. No, he didn't do any of that.
And this video
Alex.
is done. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe and like.
Huh?
Bye.